Hello viewers, hey, this is John Cherian. This is regarding the local testing of Spark on Lambda. So what it means is you can test your Spark on Lambda on your operating system like Cloud9, EC2, Code, Build, etc. You can test it, run your script and see if it works, and then you can deploy it to Lambda. So I'm testing the Iceberg script where a lot of you folks having issues reading the CSV file. What I did today was clone the directory using git clone into the local Cloud9 operating system and tweaked the sample accommodation Iceberg file. What I tweaked is just the location of the input path for the accommodation CSV file, as well as the output path where I want to put or create the Iceberg table. I want to make sure these two paths are right, and please note that there's a after S3A, that's an API. That's a connection that is needed in order to read any CSV file by Spark on Lambda. Okay, so ensure these two paths are set in your ecosystem. Like based on your location, you set those accommodations file and decide where to keep your Iceberg file. Once that is complete, I haven't changed anything else in this iceberg.py. Okay, once that is done, what we do is we create the we go to the page, the local testing page. It's under the wiki right here, the wiki page. And once you go to the wiki page, you can on the side you can go scroll all the way and see local testing. All the scripts are provided here. The first step, execute this docker build command. Once the docker build command is executed, ensure that delta is changed to Iceberg based on the framework of choice. Once that is complete, copy this part. Ensure that you provide the bucket name. You can provide just the bucket name here. You don't have to provide any prefixes or suffixes here. And then if it has a folder, mention the folder. If there is no folder, remove the slash and just mention the script name. So I mentioned the script name here and I execute it. So let me switch to the Cloud9. So what I did was I'm going to paste my script here. So look at the script. This is where my S3 folder or the bucket is, and this is where my accommodations file. Just want to highlight that I had to remove the slash to make it work. So ensure that if the bucket does not have any kind of folder, you don't have to put slash there. So remove that slash right there, and rest all the information is all dynamic in nature. So it pulls the local information, your credentials, everything, and runs this docker command. So once this is run, it will wait for a trigger. So don't worry about this one. It's already running here. That's why it is providing the trigger. So it waits for your trigger. The trigger is the curl script in the local testing option. So open another terminal and execute this script. This will trigger the whole script and trigger the Spark on Lambda. So go to the next window and trigger this, and this will initiate the pipeline right here. So it will start overwriting, and this is the executed pipeline that I have. I have the schema printed here, so which means it is able to read the CSV file. And once the CSV file is read, it wrote it to an Iceberg table. And looking at the database, I want to make sure, please ensure that you have a Spark on Lambda database. I mean, you can have your own choice, but I was able to create this database right here, and the table is accommodations underscore Iceberg. So yeah, ensure that you can locally test it. Sometimes it can be due to the operating system. Sometimes it can be due to like few the S3A, the prefix. They got to be very clear about the S3A prefix, or else it won't read those files from the CSV. So let me know after trying this if it works, and then we can try the Lambda option. Thank you.